I have a Google Sheet here, and I want to show you two ways you can easily see where your formulas are. By default, you're going to see the value of a formula rather than the formula. So if you want to see where formulas are, one option is the View menu and check the Show Formulas option. And this will actually show you the formulas instead of the values. If you want to be able to see the values but still highlight formulas, uncheck Show Formulas and add conditional formatting. So we're going to highlight the columns or range that we want to highlight, and we're going to go to Format, at the very bottom, Conditional Formatting, and this opens up a toolbar on the side. We are going to apply it to the range we highlighted, and under the format rules, we want to use the option Custom Formula at the very bottom. And we're going to type isformula, and then we're going to put in the range that we highlighted, A1 to E, and then we'll choose the color or the formatting style we want. I'm going to make it really obvious with the orange color. Click Done. And so now all of the cells in that range that have a formula in them will be highlighted. Two ways to see where your formulas are on a Google Sheet.